Next up, we have Team 9. Drinking Panda. So tell the audience a bit about your robot, because it's not immediately clear what the mechanism, the physical mechanism to pick up balls is.
All right, well, in the middle of our robot, there's a pulley system that uses duct tape to draw the ball up a ramp, up into the back where there's a storage area. And then when we get close enough to a gate, we release the servo and the balls roll out and hopefully go into the mouse hole, but we'll see. Hasn't actually done that yet, so, some luck.
You also have rather peculiar looking wheels. They look like they're wooden wheels covered with some sort of sandpaper, is that right?
Yeah, we decided that we wanted extra traction to help us, avoid lips in the carpet and help our turning be a little bit more accurate. So we made some wheels out of wood and styrofoam and put some sandpaper on it. They look kind of like log cabin wheels, but they work pretty well. All right, so this is one.
So what is your robot doing right now? Is it trying to explore the field?
So right now, we use the exploration round to make a map of the field. And if you look at our bot client, whenever it does a spin, which we call an exploration spin on the field, it uses its IR sensors and camera to map out where it thinks walls are. So that map right there, green is area that we're not so sure about. Blue is area that we think is open, and red is walls. So when it started in that back corner, it thought it saw some walls behind it, and it saw some open space in front of it. Then it's not so sure about anything else. And it should have updated with some more info, but it looks like right now it's taking a nap. So we'll see if it wakes up. And maybe not.
All right, looks like you guys are done with the exploration round, and now for the scoring round. See if you guys can score lots of points. So what type of equipment do you use to keep track of where you are in the map when you're making the map?
We have two infrared range sensors in the front, a long one and a short one, and we use that when we're spinning around to take measurements of how far we think walls are. And then we use the camera to look for features, and we overlay those two images to keep track of where features are on the map as well. I don't think our map's going to help us too much because it's pretty short range, but we'll see if you can still find some balls. You should see one right now. Okay. And now we'll see if he aligns with the ball.
Looks like he just missed that ball.
Yeah.
See if he gets those two there.
Nope. Yeah, he backed up because he got too close to a wall. Scared him. Oh, okay, there's some balls. And there he goes. So you can hear the crank turning, which means that the belt's working, but missed it. He might go for this one again. Let's see. He has a pretty short range of sight, but he tends to lose balls and they get kind of close to him, so that's why he's doing a circle again. And he's updating his map because he just did another circle. He sees some more red on the map. And it sounds like our belt's starting to grind a little bit, which is kind of a bad thing, but all right, there's another ball. Oh, maybe not. All right, here's one more try. And he looks for it. There it goes. What? Maybe? No, no. See, I think what's happening is that when he gets close to a ball, he actually loses sight of it, and the code is supposed to just make a blind mad dash forwards, hoping it's still there. But apparently he's forgetting to do that step and not actually going at the ball. So that ball right there he's looking at, he might not be able to see too well.
Looks like Drinking Panda still has about a minute, a bit more than a minute to score some points, so we'll see if he can get some balls. Looks like he is currently stuck on something.
I don't know what he'd be stuck on. He might be confused. Maybe his code crashed. Maybe he's just contemplating whether that ball is too close to see or not. He just, he's staring it down, getting ready to make his move. Oh, okay, there you go. He's still alive, still alive. Unfortunately, the way our code works, after time gets kind of low, he starts ignoring balls and just looks for goals. So right now, he's just going to head over to the goal and unleash his fury. There's a goal. Ah, lost the goal. Looking for the goal again. Gonna ignore the ball. Don't care about the ball. There's the goal. Sees the goal. He sees the goal some more. He might try raising his servo arm now. See, optimally we would have balls right now and we'd be like really excited about to score a whole bunch of points, but for now we're just sort of laughing at him. Yeah. And he's still looking for that goal. Oh, going back.
Looks like time is up. Very nice try for Drinking Panda. Good job. So Team 9, Drinking Panda, had a robot that didn't stop automatically after the end of the round at 3 minutes. So they actually get